Good morning all. Today we are going to discuss XML schema and DOM. XML schema describes the structure of an XML document just like a DTD. XML document with correct syntax is called well-formed. XML document validated against an XML schema is both well-formed and valid. XML schema is an XML-based alternative to DTD. See the example showing how the DTD has been defined. The schema above is interpreted like this, that is the previous slide. So XML element name node, that is defines the element called node. Complex type, the node element is a complex type. Then sequence, XML complex type is a sequence of elements. XML element name 2 type string, that is data type. The element 2 is of type string. Similarly from also same like that. Then heading, that is also a string type. Then body also a string type. XML schemas are more powerful than DTD. How? XML schemas are written in XML. They are extensible to additions. It supports data type. It supports namespaces. Why you use an XML schema? With XML schema, your XML files can carry a description of its own format. With XML schema, independent groups of people can agree on a standard for interchanging data. With XML schema, you can verify the data. XML schema support data types. One of the greatest strengths of an XML schemas is the support for data types. It is easier to describe document content. It is easier to define precision of data. It is easier to validate the correctness of data. It is easier to convert data between different data types. XML schemas use XML syntax. Another great strength about XML schemas is that they are written in XML itself. You don't have to learn a new language. You can use your XML editor to edit your schema files. You can use your XML parser to parse your schema files. You can manipulate your schemas with the XML Dom. You can transform your schemas with XSLT. Next, XML Dom. What is the DOM? The DOM defines a standard for accessing and manipulating documents. The W3C Document Object Model is a platform and language-neutral interface that allows programs and scripts to dynamically access and update the content, structure, and style of a document. The HTML DOM defines a standard way for accessing and manipulating HTML documents. It presents an HTML documents as a tree structure. The XML DOM defines a standard way for accessing and manipulating XML document. It also presents an XML documents as a tree structure. See the diagram. There will be a root element, again child element, then parent element clearly defined, and also siblings will be defined clearly. Understanding the DOM is a must for anyone working with HTML or XML. The HTML DOM. All HTML elements can be accessed through the HTML DOM. This example changes the value of an HTML element with ID demo. See the example. The H1 tag, the ID is demo. How it will get changed. Okay. All XML elements can be accessed through the XML Dom. See example books.xml. So self-explanatory, book category is a cooking. Similarly, other division, book category is children. Two different categories. How the title, author, year, price, everything will be defined over here. This code retrieves the text value of the first title element in an XML document. Example, txt equal to xml doc.get elements by tag name. The name of the tag is title. That is 0. Dot child nodes 0 dot node value. It's a first value. The XML DOM is a standard for how to get, change, add and delete XML elements. This example loads a text string into a XML DOM object and extracts the info from it with JavaScript. How it will be done? First thing is a bookstore. Title, author, year, book will be defined. Then it will be paused and displayed using JavaScript. Thank you all. Be stay home and be safe.